back here on Earth. We are dealing with, Carson was calling it like a summer forecast. I know we're in spring.
Yeah, well, you know, from the north, everything is like summer down here. It's always so hot.
Yeah, we still got to get you acclimated to the southern weather, Luke, don't we? Yeah, you know, it's not unheard of to have this kind of weather pattern in early May, but we definitely want to keep that springtime air around. There's that view right now of Guntersville on our Way 31 Skycam network. Not too bad to be out on the water as we close in on the lunch hour. Temperatures getting close to 80 degrees, and I bet we'll all be in the lower 80s here at the next update at the top of the hour. And for the time being, we are still dry on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We're going to see those forecast highs top out in the mid 80s today, 85 to be exact, down into the mid 70s. We get towards 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. But today's forecast is really a carbon copy of yesterday. I do expect to see at least a couple of pop-up storms develop this afternoon, with that coverage a bit higher this evening. So if you have any chores outdoors that you want to get done, I think you'll have a few more hours of dry time, but that changes, I should say, later on this evening. And then Wednesday and Thursday, well, we'll do it all over again. By Friday, however, that's when our next big cold front, if you will, starts to move in. That brings us higher chances for showers and storms, and a few of those storms, especially early Friday morning, could be a bit strong. Let me walk you through future radar. This data source and many others suggest by 3 o'clock this afternoon we are still dry, but because it's so warm and very muggy, of course, it's not out of the question to have a couple of showers bubbling up around then. You see that coverage a little bit higher by 7 o'clock this evening. This has our next cold front, the one before the big one later on this week. It starts to move in this evening, giving us a little bit higher coverage of those showers and storms. That will continue through the evening, maybe into the overnight hours tonight as well, possibly into your Wednesday morning commute. That cold front that stalled over North Alabama tonight, it will sag southward just a little bit throughout the day on Wednesday. So I think the best chances for showers and storms tomorrow will be confined to our southern counties, and then we will do it all over again during the day on Thursday. But late Thursday night, early Friday morning, that's when that next cold front moves through, the next big front like we talked about. As far as the overall severe weather threat, that's pretty low. It's definitely greater to our west, but we can still see heavy rain, maybe some gusty winds around 40 to 50 miles per hour, and perhaps some small hail during the Friday morning commute. Now, as far as the exact timing with that cold front, we still want to look over some data over the next 24 to 48 hours. I think by tomorrow morning during our morning newscast, I'll be able to give you a more specific timing on when those storms arrive on Friday morning. But you see here on our long-term future radar, 5 o'clock Thursday afternoon, maybe a few of those pop-up storms once again. Here comes that cold front off to our west. Those widespread showers and storms after midnight arriving here in North Alabama as we get towards Friday morning. And then I think we'll start to dry things out as we go through the day on Friday. How about Mother's Day weekend? Not too bad. We'll have a chance for a few showers Saturday morning. Mother's Day itself on Sunday looks great. Plenty of sunshine and highs in the lower 80s. 7-day forecast looks like this. Again, just keep the umbrella handy. No day is a complete washout, but those highest chances will be Friday morning in particular. And as we look ahead to the early part of next week, a good bit of sunshine and staying warm with those highs still in the 80s.